has been given as well. Now, after a delay of 4 hours, today 5 Indian men from Arunachal Pradesh finally returning home. Chinese army has handed over them to the Indian troops at the Kibitu border personnel meeting point after completing all formalities. These local Arunachal youth had gone missing on September 2 after they accidentally crossed the line of actual control. On 8th of September, Chinese side informed the Indian side through a hotline about their presence being discovered on their land. The missing men will now be quarantined for 14 days as per COVID norms, therefore, and only after that possibly will be handed over to their family members. Meanwhile, even at this point, Chinese communist mouthpiece Global Times decided to claim that these 5 Arunachal youth are Indian spies, and also adding that these men were India's intelligence staff who had disguised themselves as hunters, while a good gesture seemed to have come with their release.
से उस पार जाने के लिए उसको हम लोग लोकली अपना एक आइडेंटिटी मार्क बनाता है। कभी-कभी बारिश आ जाने के कारण, मौसम बिगड़ जाने के कारण, बर्फ गिर जाने के कारण जो मार्क हम लोग बनाता है वो गायब हो जाता है, तो मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता कि कहाँ गुजर रहा है। वो एक भारत का जासूस नहीं था सबसे पहले तो, और जो आर्मी हमको सहायता कर रहा है वो क्योंकि वो मेरा एक इंडियन था बोल के उसका सहायता है कि वो उसका आदमी था बोल के नहीं है, तो ये जो चाइना क्लेम कर रहा है ये सरासर गलत।
And to track this important story, India Today is on the ground from Upper Subansiri district in Arunachal Pradesh. Manogya Loiwal tracking all the latest. Manogya, the good news has come. But after this horrific charge of being a spy, when it was clear that these are hunters, they were just going about doing their business. But is it really difficult there on the border, the demarcation that is difficult to point out, and that is why how they got lost?
Well, finally, it's a sigh of relief for the entire family, the entire community, the state, as well as the country, that the 5 Indians are back in India. This has been, of course, almost more than a week, the tension, the escalation of tension and the de-escalation also. However, China did not leave a single opportunity of ensuring, of targeting India this time again by blaming that these youth were spies and were people of intelligence of the Indian government who had been sent in the garb of students there and hunters. But as far as the family members are concerned, we have with us a few family members who will give us an idea on what is the exact response now that a sigh of relief. Finally, the family members are back in India. क्या लग रहा है आपको, कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो?
तो आज सबसे पहले मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। अब मीडिया आज तक मीडिया यहाँ पहुँचा अपर सुबनसिरी में, तो आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। हमारा 5 लोग चाइना में गया था, तो आज हमारा भारत सरकार और राज्य सरकार वापस लाया, इसलिए हम आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं दिल से बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
But these are just expressions of, and you'll get an idea on the kind of response that people have here. There has been tension, of course. There has been a lot of worry also.
Yes.
But the entire process that has now begun, that means from Vacha, these 5 people have been brought to Kibitu.
Okay.
Kibitu is the border personnel meeting point where they will be stationed for a while. There will be documentation. There will be a long process that would take a few hours, and then COVID-19 test, and of course the medical protocols to be followed, and a 14-day quarantine before they finally make way to this district, that's Upper Subansiri district in Arunachal Pradesh from Anjao, where they have finally entered into the
Manogya,
Indian territory.
we can say that not immediately reuniting visuals will be seen. That will take time, but a relief at least for the family members that they are back, even though of course China has decided to put forth via Global Times a charge against them.
Well, yes, it's going to be a wait of at least 2 weeks. That is the medical protocol to be followed, and several other checks that have to be done.
Yes.
Remember, it's also a matter of a country, of a neighboring country with which India doesn't share one of the best rapports, and especially in these testing times where there have been so many differences and escalation at the border level also. This would be interesting to watch, and what would be the next step forward, and how many days of debriefing and other process would also be taking.
And could also this step lead to at least a more clear demarcation, at least for the local residents there? Manogya, you were there giving us all the ground reports. Thank you very much for reporting from Arunachal Pradesh. Now moving on, investigating the drug angle in actor Sushant Singh